Welcome to Condense. In this video, we'll explore the powerful integrated code editor inside the Condense application. Condense comes with a fully featured IDE, providing a seamless coding experience with advanced tools to enhance productivity. Key features of the Condense code editor. Command line. Execute commands directly within the editor without leaving your workflow. Command palette. Access all functionalities quickly using a simple command interface. Git integration. Easily push, pull, and manage your version control within the editor. Change language mode. Switch between different programming languages effortlessly. Customization. Personalize themes, key bindings, and editor settings to match your workflow. Zen mode. Enter distraction-free coding mode for improved focus. Split view. Work with multiple files side by side, using a flexible split-screen layout. Status bar. Get real-time insights about your code, errors, and environment settings. Debugging. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and debug your code directly from the editor. Default keyboard shortcuts. Increase efficiency with pre-configured shortcuts for common actions, and much more. With these powerful features, the Condense integrated code editor allows you to code, collaborate, and debug without switching between multiple tools. Thanks for watching and happy coding!